Well, I'm not gonna lie. I expected more. Looks like we have one oregano. What's this one? One oregano and one basil. No parsley. What's this one? See? Cilantro? Zero cilantro. The radishes are doing good. Those are nice. Looks like I've got one kale. But what the heck? None of my tomatoes. None of my tomatoes have popped. None of my lettuce, spinach, something that starts with a C that I'll have to look over there and find out. It might be chives. But what's this one? J. I can't think of one that starts with a J right now. Can you? The strawberry didn't do anything. I did a test in sand, and I'm pretty sure the problem with sand is that potentially it doesn't get enough sunlight, because it's definitely staying moist. I just tried some chives and lemongrass here just because I have a million of those seeds, but I wanted to see if sand would work. I have a ton of sand on our property. Well, let's move on. So if the things that haven't come up don't come up, could be a couple things. Could be me. I may just not be doing something right, or I'm putting them in the sun. I've started them indoors because it's warmer. It's not freezing anymore. Anyway, let's check out the outdoor garden. Here we have the Carolina Reapers. Probably want to wash your hands really good before you touch your eyeballs. I don't know if those are gonna make it. They kind of look weird, but we'll keep feeding them. These are the sweet peppers, and you can see almost none of them look very good. Not sure what's going on here, but oh, I know what it is. I forgot to drill holes in the bottom of this one. Dang it, I forgot. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna drill some holes in the bottom of this one with my drill that I always have in my hand. Oh yeah, it's super heavy. So that one's probably suffering from root rot. We'll see though. We'll see if that drains out. Today they're gonna get another 1,000,000 feet of rain, so we'll see. Here we have, I think this is the celery. Looks like we got one little baby one coming up right here. Little itty bitty. But yeah, those look pretty good. Obviously they're in one of my reused tree containers, so they're draining good. All the ones in reused tree containers are doing good. These, let's see. This is garlic. So I've got one, two, well yeah, I think these 5 are garlic. They all look pretty good. And then let's see what we have over here. There's something coming up in here. Those are probably just weeds. We'll just pull them out anyway for good measure. It's these things that drop in and just start rooting. So these are cauliflower. That's cauliflower. That's broccoli. So cauliflower, broccoli. Cauliflower, broccoli looks pretty good. And the roots are starting to come out the bottom. So I think that is probably a sign that we need to upgrade those planters. So that's why I have these here. So I will probably do that today. If my tomatoes ever come up, these are all ready to go for them. I realize I don't need to have these training, but they're blackberries, and I figured I could just weave those in and out of the things to make them easier to pick. But some people told me that you don't need that for blackberries, so I probably will take those off at some point, and we may end up putting those in the ground. My cucumbers, which have been known to the state of North Carolina to do very, very well. I think these are the cucumbers. I thought I planted onions too, but next time I'm gonna label. I mean, it'll be obvious when the stuff grows up because it'll taste like something. Now, here, see if we can get a picture of my corn rows. There's one row, you can see at least two have popped up in that row. There's another row. This looks like a row with one. And then we got a row here with two-ish. That may be it. So, not much corn has popped up yet. I just put this stupid cage around it to keep my dog from continuing to dig it. She helped me pull the weeds out before. But yeah, I think this is corn. So, at least we won't starve to death, right? And the rest of this stuff is probably the little helicopters that spin down and plant everywhere. These little guys. Whee! I think that's pretty much it. I mean, we have some more stuff over here that Haley randomly planted. Oh wait, this might be it. What did you plant, Haley? Is that a bean? Did you see it, Haley? Is this your plant? She didn't tell me she was doing this, so I didn't really get to clear it out for her. She just kind of started doing it. But that might be a bean. It just might be. I don't see anything else over here. Everything else looks like weeds, which we'll continue to manage. But there's plenty of weeds where that came from, guys. And if I get tired of them in here, you know, we can go back there and pick weeds the rest of our lives. That would not be fun. So yeah, lots of progress, I guess, but I feel like I've made some mistakes or I'm missing something. I mean, there's always potential that's just weird season or bad seeds, I guess, but you know, what am I doing wrong? Leave it in the comments. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Because this is the first time I've actually grown more than, I mean, I think we've only grown carrots and blueberries. What was the other thing we grew? Oh, scallions. We were just eating those raw. It was really funny. But the carrots turned out good that year. We did that on the West Coast. Anyway, the last gardening update is the few days on my beard. Thanks to you guys. Is there something in my teeth? Definitely still have razor burn. My face is not a fan of this, you guys, so I Can't wait for it to be back. Anyway, see you in the next one. Appreciate you watching. Hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Make sure you hit the bell. Select all notifications from that drop down. Bearded Eagle out.